Hey, today we're gonna get some pre-emergent put out. As you can see behind me, I'm still working on the Poa trivialis. This is the third application of Roundup I did yesterday. It's ready to get seeded here probably in a week or so, but today I'm going to get some Prodiamine out in the areas that I haven't sprayed the Roundup, as well as some RGS, because I haven't done that yet this year. So that's what we're going to do today. I've got some rain coming later this evening. I'm hoping to get that watered in and then warmer temperatures later this week. So it's just perfect timing. My soil is like right at 50 degrees. It's go time. Okay, so instead of trying to figure out all the math behind Prodiamine, I'm going to do this a real easy way. If you go to grassdaddy.net, Tim has a Prodiamine calculator. And for my application, I'm doing a split application this year. So for 3 months of 4,000 square feet, now I've got 3,500 square feet of lawn, but then I've got some flower beds and stuff I want to do also. So for 4,000 square feet, I need 0.73 ounces of the Prodiamine. 0.73 ounces equals about 20.69, 20.7 grams. So that's what I want to use today. But if you go to grassdaddy.net, in the tools section, he's got a really nice Prodiamine calculator that's pretty easy to use. So that's that. Okay, so let's measure this out. I've got this scale set to grams. For whatever reason, there it goes. I want about 21 grams, and this should be pretty close. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. 18. Not going to take much. There's 20. 20, yeah, 21, 22. So I'm going to go with that. Now I'm also going to mix this in, take advantage of the time and put RGS in as well. And for the first time this year, since it's the first time this year, I'm going to use the higher application rate of 6 ounces per thousand. So I've got 24 ounces here. We're just going to mix that all together. All right, so I've got a little bit of blue dye left over in here from another project for project lawn. Nothing in here that's going to hurt the grass at all. But this is a 4-gallon backpack sprayer. And since I'm figuring 4,000 square feet, I know this thing is calibrated for about 1 gallon per 1,000 square feet. I'm going to go ahead and mix up full 4 gallons and get it sprayed out. But I'm going to start with the Prodiamine. Put that in there. And then the RGS. All right, let's get this sprayed out. Okay, so we get the RGS down, Prodiamine down. That's pretty much it for today. I still got to do the backyard, but I'm not going to bore you with that. Here in about a week or so, I'm hoping that this grass will all be dead and I can get out here and reseed it. Of course, I'll share that all with you. If you like what you saw here today, hit the like button down below. Please subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have a comment or a question. And I'll leave links to purchase some Prodiamine or any of the biostimulant pack, RGS, in the description below for you. And we'll see you in the next video. What? All right, show Dad your paws. Good boy.